Okay, our next chapter is on the face of it. It is the story of a boy who has a burn mark on his face. This is the boy, and it has a burn mark on his face. With that mark, he cuts himself from the mainstream of life. Like because he was suffered with an inferiority complex. But a man comes in his life, a man named Mr. Lamb. A man, Mr. Lamb, came in his life and he taught him a very good teaching so that the boy gets inspired and connect himself with the mainstream of life. What does the man say to the boy? We will study in this chapter. First of all, I want to say that many people has drawbacks or faults in his body, but God has given him God has given him a talent, and that talent is very important for that person. And with the help of that talent, the man can make his life. Okay. In this connection, we have two examples. First is Lata Mangeshkar. You are very much familiar with the name of Lata Mangeshkar. Actually, as it is said that she was not good in looking. She was not good in looking, and so she was refused to do anything in the film industry. Second time, she gave her audition to the music director, but the music director told her that she had a very thin voice, so she could not be suitable for the singing. But after getting break in the movie, she did not look back. Okay, and now she is a worldwide known singer. Okay, now she is Bharat Ratna of India. Okay, in the same way, there was a movie in film industry named Satyam Shivam Sundaram. In this story, there was a girl who has melodious voice, but by chance her face was burned. So, but with that talent, she just comes into limelight that I am none other than me. Just recognize me. It is only me who is recognized by the talent. So our physical body does not matter. Our physical body does not matter. If we have talent, if we have talent, we can shine our life. We can write our destiny. We can be famous like this lady. Okay, it is totally in our hand how we are going to face our life. Mr. Lamb is a physically impaired person. He had a thin leg, physically impaired. So both person are physically impaired. Boy has one face and man has a thin leg. But man tells some important thing to that boy. Okay, now the boy accepted the advice of Mr. Lamb, and he was ready to do what he was told by Mr. Lamb. Okay, so it is the base of our chapter. Main thing is what? Our physique does not matter. Our talent matters. If we have talent, we can shine our life. We can earn name and fame in our life. So, from the chapter on the face of it. This is a play featuring an old man and a small boy. There are only two main characters in the story. That is, they are Mr. Lamb and a boy meeting in the farmer's garden. Yes, Mr. Lamb has a very big garden and also a big house. Okay, so the boy enters the garden of Mr. Lamb and there held a meeting. And the conversation starts between these two persons, Mr. Lamb and that boy. Yes, the old man strikes up a friendship with the boy. Now, the old man tries to make friendship with the boy. The old man is ready to make this boy his friend. Okay, who is very withdrawn and defiant. Actually, the boy is quite complex. The boy is quite complex. Means the boy is suffered with inferiority complex and quite introvert. Introvert. Introvert means who talks little. जो बहुत कम बात करता है, known as introvert, because he was suffered with inferiority complex, so he does not mix up with other person, so he becomes introvert. What is the bond that unites the two? What is that bond? What is that bond which unites these two persons? ऐसा कौन सा बंधन है जो इन दोनों को बांधे रखता है, which keeps them bound, जो इन दोनों को बांधे रखता है. Let's study the chapter on the face of it. Scene first, Mr. Lamb's garden. There is the occasional sound of bird song and of tree leaves rustling. You know, the garden is full of trees. On the trees, birds live. Okay, and they just produce chirping sound, musical sound. Derry's footsteps are heard as he walks slowly. Now, actually, the garden is also full of dry leaves. And when Derry, the name of the boy, when Derry walks on the dry leaves, the leaves produce its sound, chirr, murr, chirr, murr, like that, known as rustling sound. Okay? He pauses, he stops, then walks on again. He comes around a screen of bushes. Okay, there is a screen, there is a line of bushes. Now the boy stands in front of that bushes. झाड़ियां है, and the boy just stands in front of the bushes. Okay, so that when Mr. Lamb speaks to him, he is close at hand and Derry is startled. Now, Mr. Lamb is just behind the bushes and very close to Derry. Okay, and when Mr. Lamb asks Derry something, Derry gets startled. चौंक जाता है. Derry gets baffled. आश्चर्य में पड़ जाता है. Mr. Lamb, mind the apple? Have you come here to pick up the apple? Because Mr. Lamb has a garden. And in the garden, they have so many fruit trees. Okay, and apple is one of them. So he asked the boy, have you come here to pick up the apples? There is what? Who is that? Who is there? Mr. Lamb, My name is Lamb. Mind the apple. Oh, you have come here to pick up the apples. Crab apples, those are sweet apples. Wind falls in the long grass. Actually, the wind has made them fall in the grass. Okay, like that. It is the apple. Okay, and now winds makes it fall in the ground. हवा चली तो एप्पल ग्राउंड के अंदर गिर गया. Getting or not? Okay, then you could trip and you can pick it up. I thought this was an empty place. Derry was thinking that this was an empty garden because he was not expecting anyone in this garden. I did not know there was anybody here. Yes, na? Because the boy was not expecting anybody in the garden. So he entered the garden of Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb, that's all right. All right, my son, I'm here. I'm the only person here in the garden. What are you afraid of? Why are you getting frightened? क्यों डर रहे हैं? Boy, that's all right. Everything is fine now. Daddy, I thought it was empty. An empty house. I thought it was an empty garden, an empty house. Mr. Lamb, so it is. Of course, it is empty. I'm out here in the garden. Now I'm here in the garden, so my house is empty. Getting or not? Until I go back inside, until I go back to my home will remain empty because I am in the garden. जब तक मैं घर में नहीं जाऊंगा ना, मेरा घर खाली रहेगा. Okay. Now, in the meantime, I am out here and likely to stop. So I am staying here in the garden. A day like this, today is a very beautiful day. Beautiful day, not a day to be indoors. It is such a beautiful day that no one can be at this time indoors. मौसम इतना अच्छा है, कोई भी अपने घर के अंदर इस समय वो नहीं रह सकता. Derry panic nervously. I have to go. Mr. Lamb, not on my account. I don't care. If you want to go, I don't care. I don't mind who comes into the garden. I don't mind. I never feel bad. Anyone who comes in the garden. मैं कभी किसी का बुरा नहीं मानता जो गार्डन में आता है. The gate is always open. Only you climb the garden wall. Now the gate of the garden is open and you just jump over the wall to enter the garden. Getting or not? Gate खुला हुआ था. Only you jumped in over the walls to enter the garden. Very angrily. Oh, you were watching me, Mr. Lamb. I saw you. I saw you jumping over the wall. But the gate is open. All welcome. All are welcome here. You are welcome. I sit here. I like sitting. Derry, I had not come to steal anything. I did not come here to steal anything. Mr. Lamb, no. The young lads steal. The young people steal. Okay, बड़े लोग चोरी करते हैं. Scrump the apples. They pluck the apples. You are not so young. You are not so young. You are a very small boy. Derry, I just wanted to come into the garden. I just only want to come in the garden. Mr. Lamb, so you did? You entered? You came here? Here we are then. Only we two are here. We two means हम दो. Only we two are here. You and me. Derry, you don't know who I am. Mr. Lamb, A boy, 13 or so. You are a boy of 13 or maybe 14. There is 14. I am 14 years old boy. First, but I have got to go now. But now I have to leave your garden. Goodbye, Mr. Lamb. Nothing to be afraid of. Why are you frightening? Why are you afraid of me? Just a garden, just me, only I am here. Dairy, but I'm not. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of anybody. Because people are afraid of me. I'm not afraid of anybody, but people are afraid of me. How? When people look at my face, they get frightened because of my burn mark. Okay? Why should that be? Why are the people afraid to see you? Everybody is afraid of me. It does not matter who they are. It does not matter who these people are or what they say to see my face or how they look, how they pretend, I know I can see. These people don't say anything, but I read the expression of their faces, what they are thinking about me. See what? क्या देखते हैं? Dairy, what they think. They see only what they want to think. वो वही देखते हैं जो वो देखना चाहते हैं. Dairy, you think here is a boy, you look at me, and then you see my face, and you think because I am in front of you, you can look at my face, then what will you observe? What did you see? That is bad. You will say, oh, there is a bad mark. There is a very bad mark, ugliest sign on my face I ever saw. That is a terrible thing. That is the ugliest thing. Okay, but very terrible mark on my face. Very ugliest mark on my face. And this mark of my face frightens other people. You think, poor boy. But I am not. I'm not poor boy. Poor means not garib, bichara. When we see such type of people, what do we say to them? Oh, bichara admi, bichara bachcha. We react like this. We react like that. But we should not say them like bichara, like poor. Not poor. Underneath, you are afraid. Actually, you are afraid to see my face. I'm not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. On the contrary, on the other hand, you are afraid to see me. Anybody would be afraid to see my face. हर कोई मेरा चेहरा देखकर डर जाएगा. I am, because I am so ugly, because of having burn mark on my face. When I look in the mirror, you know, aina, shisha. Okay, when I look in the mirror and see it. In the mirror, when I see my burn mark on my cheek, I am afraid of me. I get frightened. मैं खुद ही डर जाता हूँ. Mr. Lamb, not the whole of you. Oh, you have only this one mark on your face, but as a whole, you are totally perfect. You have only 1 mark on your face, but totally you are a perfect boy. Okay, not of you. Yes, I am just very ugly in looking. Pause. Mr. Lamb, later on, what it is a bit colder. Oh, I am feeling just cold. ठंडी लग रही है. I will get the ladder and a stick and pull down those crab apples. Now I will have the ladder. Ladder means stairs of wood. Okay, I will have the ladder and I stick in my hand and will pluck the apple. Okay, and pull down those crab apples. They are ripe for it. They are quite ripen. पक चुके हैं. Okay, so I can pluck them. I make jelly. You know, in home science, jelly of apple and guava is prepared. Okay, so I make jelly. It is a good time of year, September. September is running now. Okay, so it is a good time of making jelly of apples. Look at them, orange and golden. These are the magic fruit. I often say, but it is best picked. Really, it is a very good time to pick up the apples and make them into jelly. And we should prepare jelly of apple. You could give me a hand. You could give me a hand means you can also help me. किसी को अपना हैंड देना मतलब किसी की हेल्प करना. You can help me. Daddy, what have you changed the subject for? Mr. Lamb, why did you change the subject of talking? Why did you change the topic of talking? तुमने टॉपिक क्यों चेंज कर दिया? Why don't you ask me? People always do that. People always change the topic when they see my face. Why don't you ask me? Ask me. Why do you do what they all do? Why are you reacting in the same way as other people do? आप इस पर रिएक्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं? As the other people do, okay, and pretend it is not true and isn't there, and you will say that it is not true. You will say that no, I am not changing the topic, but you have changed the topic of talking. तुमने conversation का topic change कर दिया है. In case I see you looking and mind and get upset. Now, in case I see you looking, now you will say that I am regularly looking at you. Okay, and mind and thinking and get upset. And when you see burn mark on my face, you get sad. Upset means sad. I will tell you, don't ask me because you are afraid to. You are not asking me about this mark because you are afraid to. So you are also frightened. Mr. Lamb, you want me to ask? If you want to say to me, you can. If you want to impart your information to me, you can. अगर आप मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहते हैं तो you are welcome. Say so. Daddy, I don't like being with the people. I don't want to mix up with the people. I don't want to make friendship with the people. Any people. I don't like anybody. Mr. Lamb, I should say, to look at it, I should say you got burnt in a fire. In the acting of thinking, Mr. Lamb said, I think you have got this burn mark on your face in a fire. लगता है आग से आप जल गए हैं. Daddy, not in a fire. It is not the mark of a fire. I got acid all down. This is a mark of acid all down that side of my face. Can you got not? On this side of my face, the acid fell and it burned it all away, and that acid spoiled all my face. That acid ate up all my face. It ate my face up. It ate me up. Acid made me ugly. Acid made me ugly. Acid made me ugly. Okay, and this acid ate me up. मुझे पूरा का पूरा जीवन इस एसिड ने बर्बाद कर दिया. And now it is like this. It won't ever be any different after growing age. After growing in age, this mark will not be finished. This will be increased with my age. As I will grow in my age, this mark will get wider and wider. ये भी बड़ा और बड़ा होता जाएगा. Now here I want to say that recently there was a movie, I think Chehra. In that Chehra, it was a real case that an acid was thrown on the face of that girl. Okay, and Chhapaak, really, sorry, not movie Chehra, it's a Chhapaak. Chhapaak was a movie in which there was a lady whose face was burned with the acid or by throwing the acid. So, looking it is water, but in touching it is a fire. देखो तो पानी, छुओ तो आग, तेजाब. It is very horrible. It is very difficult to burn with acid.